So we've looked at the situation where we've had our Xref with all of the files in the same folder, and then we've transferred them to our BIM 360 environment. Now, what we're going to look at this time is when the files are not in the same folder as the host Xref, and we'll see how BIM 360 maintains that hierarchy of the file structure. So we're going to do exactly the same. On the left-hand side, we now know that the factory Xref host is the file with all of the child files in different folders, and we navigate to where we want to store it in the BIM 360 environment. So we go to our Cadline hub, navigate to the folder, and then the project. It's the project files half of the environment we'll link to. We go to the particular file folder that we're looking for, so it's going to be in Xref. And so factory Xref host, and we just drag and drop across. The same transferring then occurs. This can take a bit of time. And so we can see that the file has been copied across, but it only looks as if the host is the only file that's been copied across. But what we can now do is this second folder has been created. And in the folder, that's where the linked Xref files are stored. So we go into factory Xref host folder as a subfolder called related data, and then training. And there are all of the folders that contain our individual linked files, maintaining that hierarchy. So it will create a couple of extra folders first, but maintain the rest of the hierarchy, which was training, then this folder name, and then a CAD drawing, and then there's our file. And it will do the same for each of them. And of course, this will be the same format when we look at it in the BIM 360 Docs online interface, which is what we can do. So now we go into that environment. And we can see our folder. So now when we look in the environment, our file, our host Xref is uploaded. We also have the factory Xref host folder where the child files are stored, related data, and then training. And we go into one of the folders, and there is ACAD drawings, and there's our file, and it's the same for all of the others. So two different processes because of how the files are stored. So one where they're local, all the files will be copied into the local folder. The second one where they have a hierarchy of a folder structure, that will be maintained. And that's the improvement to the desktop connector.